Get everything you need to know about important news around the world in just 2 minutes. Just hit subscribe and bell icon and stay updated all the time.
London police said today a fire that killed at least 79 people at a London tower block started in a Hotpoint fridge freezer, and the outside cladding engulfed by the blaze has since been shown to fail all safety tests. Detective Superintendent Fiona McCormack said that in view of the heavy death toll, police were considering manslaughter charges over the disaster. She said the Hotpoint model FF175BP involved was not subject to recall and the manufacturer was doing further tests. We now have expert evidence that the fire was not started deliberately, McCormack told reporter in London. Britain ordered an immediately technical examination of a Hotpoint fridge model to establish whether further action needed to be taken, but said there was no need for owners to switch off their appliances. Whirlpool Corp, the world's largest maker of home appliances, owns the Hotpoint brand in the Europe and Asia Pacific region. In the United States, the brand now belongs to Haier. Even though the Hotpoint fridge where the fire started, it is not completely responsible for the number of deaths and massive loss and fire. Police said both the insulation and tile used in cladding at the 24-story Grenfell Tower block failed all post-fire safety tests.